Hey Bellaras, welcome back to your favorite corner of natural skincare. If you're here, chances are you're tired of using chemical-filled products that promise glowing skin but end up making things worse, especially if you have oily, acne-prone skin. Maybe you've tried everything and nothing seems to work. Or maybe you're just done with harsh treatments and ready to embrace clean, gentle, and effective solutions. I get it, your skin deserves better. That's why today I'm sharing a full weekly skincare routine made with 100% natural ingredients. These steps will help calm acne, balance oil, and reveal your skin's natural glow. No chemicals, no side effects. So if you're ready to switch to a simpler, safer way of caring for your skin, hit that subscribe button and let's get glowing the natural way. Let's begin with cleansing, an essential step to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. We'll use DIY oat and hibiscus cleansing cubes. Cook 1 cup of oats in 3 to 4 cups of water until soft. Strain the oat and stir in 1 tablespoon of ground hibiscus. Pour the liquid into an ice cube tray and freeze overnight. Take 1 cube, let it thaw for 1 to 2 minutes, then massage it gently over your face in circular motions. This will cleanse, calm irritation, and prep your skin. No oats or hibiscus? No problem. Just use raw honey. It's antibacterial and works beautifully as a gentle natural cleanser. Next, we'll exfoliate to unclog pores and brighten the skin. Mix 1 teaspoon of coffee with 1 teaspoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply the scrub evenly on a clean, dry skin and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This allows the nutrients to start working first. Then gently massage your face in circular motions to exfoliate. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. This step removes dead skin, clears buildup, and smooths your skin's surface. Now, time to treat your skin with a healing mask. We're using a DIY Sidr mask, a powerful remedy for acne-prone skin. In a bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of ground cedar leaves with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of milk powder, and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Add a little bit of rose water until you get a smooth consistency. Apply the mask evenly and leave it on for 20 minutes. Sidr is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, helping to clear breakouts, while the yogurt and the milk powder hydrate and brighten your skin. Rinse gently with lukewarm water and pat dry. To tighten your pores and prevent further breakouts, we'll use a homemade clove toner. Simply boil 1 teaspoon of clove in 1 cup of water for 7 minutes. Then strain and store in a spray bottle. Spritz it directly on your face or apply it with a cotton pad after masking. This toner is amazing for oily skin and helps keep acne-causing bacteria at bay. Finally, let's lock in all the benefits with a non-comedogenic moisturizer. Argan oil. Just a few drops are enough. Gently massage it into your skin using your fingers or use a gua sha tool if you don't have active breakouts. This boosts circulation, improves skin texture, and gives a natural glow without clogging your pores. And that's it, Bellara. You've just completed a full weekly skincare routine tailored for oily, acne-prone skin using only natural, safe, and effective ingredients. No harsh chemicals, no expensive products, just pure, wholesome care for your skin. But here's the thing, consistency is everything. Try this routine every week and give your skin the love and patience it deserves. Trust the process, and in time, you'll see the transformation. I'd love to hear from you. What's your skin type, and what's the one skincare step you never skip? Drop it in the comments, and if you'd like me to create a full routine for dry, sensitive, or combination skin, just let me know below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your skincare besties, and subscribe so you never miss any of my weekly DIY tips and recipes. Until next time, stay glowing. Bye!